Welcome, I'm Ulrike, and I'll show you in 3 minutes how to create your first virtual tour in 5 steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new project. First, click here and enter the project and folder name. Please note that you can still change the project name, but not the folder name. I suggest you stop the video now and do this step at your leisure. Step 2. Upload panoramas. Now upload your panoramas. Please make sure that they are normal JGP files and that they have a 1:2 ratio. This is the only way our software can display them at 360 degrees. Be patient and wait with the next step until everything has finished uploading. And it looks like this. Step 3. Name panorama. Click on this pencil to name your panoramas. After the window opens, you can give the panorama a name and be sure to click Save further down. You can make further settings at a later point. But for now, let's go to Step 4. Step 4. Link panoramas. Now it is time to create a virtual tour from the individual panoramas. To do this, please click on the Editor tab on the left. The editor is the heart of our software, and this is where most of the work happens. Let's start linking the panoramas. To allow users to switch seamlessly between rooms, click the mouse directly in the panorama and move to the place where you want to set the link for the next room. Now, click on Panospot and hold down the left mouse button while you drag the Panospot to the desired location. As soon as you release the mouse button, a window opens automatically. Here you can now specify which panorama the user should go to. Then press Save. Your first link between 2 rooms is done. I'll briefly show you how to move, edit, or delete the hotspot. To move, please hold down the Alt key on your keyboard together with the left mouse button and use the mouse to move the hotspot to the desired location. To delete or edit the hotspot, simply click on the arrow next to the Panospot and then on the pen. A window will open again. Here you can change your shortcut or the name for the hotspot. Then click Save. Now you can see that the link between 2 panoramas has been changed. To delete a panospot, click on the pencil under Panospot. Then click on Delete in the opened window. Confirm in the pop-up with OK. The panospot is now deleted. Step 5. View 360-degree tour. Now, let's look at your first virtual tour. To do this, click on the Tour Settings tab on the left. Directly under the project title, you can now set the project to online and click on Save at the bottom. You did it! Your first project is now live, and you can view your first virtual tour using the link. You have created your first virtual tour that quickly and easily. You can use this software to create very large projects and incorporate numerous functions. We have linked a more detailed video for you on the left side. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us on this number or send us an email. We are always here for you.